Ke Frank Motors akan rutrik de pembena ko wada penlep ba ya ke Tata Sierra 2.0. Watame kamu penkai imbiang ini ipertuj wada benanam kam ke icon wada menya ke ba ada pelat lepas nem. Kini ke Sierra watame dewan ra ya ke hak design mamiat watame ko ya hap wai por wakat ni dewa emlang start teknologi kiwa man kat kam kejuk wakat ni deilang gilat ya da yo ngan galai kawan. Debu ya ke Sierra 2.0 em hak kerdan watame hawadai ka ke watip kam ke premium mid SUV. Kekeriman ko he itau chong apo ko biang lut im kam ki beruah walai luti kham tam mandalai jangai kini ka Tata Sierra to ko riyo la ye red dot design award iwa dapat scam ye man kerpang yong ka ya kini Sierra 2.0 ye wo book we wo wan pai ki pai ba showroom yang ko Frank Motors we idoro dai sedang ga hedorwa kat wilak poin so konde hajar Hakni kesengi dem langu Ashish Ranjan, Chief Manager SBI Lemukra Branch kam Kongsan, wedi yo ikintin Waipang nau Siddhartha Sarma, woman kam Regional Sales Manager ke Tata Motors North East Region, dewa emlang ke General Manager ke Marbiang Lingdo, Sales Coach, Graham Pejat wa Dealer Proprietor, Indon Lang Pesak.
All guys with cameras, this is the day we're waiting for. Make your shot worth it. So this is the legend. Tata Sierra for you guys.
You can see we have front parking sensors, then LED fog lamps with cold function, and we have the Aerofloat grill design. And as you know, Tata Motors has purchased GLR, Jaguar and Land Rover in 2008, and they have introduced the clamshell bonnet, which is used in Jaguar and Land Rover, the first in this segment. So we go to the side, and I'll just talk about the rear. The rear also it has a clamshell tailgate with gesture control, and it has the best in the.
Won't take your time. I'm a proud Tata car owner for last 5 years. I'm a proud Tata Motors stockholder for last 7 years. And there were times I had doubt of exchanging my car with a new model. But there was one incident where I met with an accident in my own car. I was driving my car. The car was in garage for almost 3 months. The person who was driving on the other vehicle was in ICU for 15 days almost. I came out of my car unscratched. From that day itself, I have never thought about exchanging my car. But when I saw the trailer launch of Sierra a few months ago on Instagram while scrolling the reels, I had a doubt of exchanging my car. This car looked so good. That original version, that yellow and black. So I'll request everyone present here that stick with Tata. I have been with them for more than 5 years now, and I have no doubts of changing the car or the company. Thank you all.